One of the questions we get asked here a lot at AMBRO Manufacturing are what are the different decoration methods that we offer for hats. So today I'm going to go through a few of the different ones that are popular. Everybody's probably pretty familiar with your basic flat embroidery. These are stitches. We can do logos, designs of any type. We can put them on the front of the hat, the side of the hat, the back of the hat, but that's what flat embroidery looks like. Another decoration method that offers virtually unlimited colors is dye sublimated patches. This is a woven patch made out of polyester that we can sublimate with your designer logo. And like I said, virtually unlimited colors. This gets sewn onto the front, side, or back of the hat as well. You can also go with the classic woven patch. These take a little bit longer. These are woven custom patches, usually about 2 to 3 weeks to get these. It's a nice look. You can get very, very fine detail, as you can see down here in these small fonts. These are a popular option. They do carry a minimum, however, of approximately 48 pieces. One of the new decoration methods is direct to film. You probably hear a lot about this for t-shirts, but this is essentially a permanent garment sticker. You can see there's really no dimension to it whatsoever. Highly durable, looks great on a hat. Also, similar to dye sublimation, offers virtually unlimited colors, direct to film. One of my favorites, actually my all-time favorite, is a silicone or PVC patch. If you take a look at this, it actually does have dimension to it. This has a feel to it. Each one of these letters and every part of the design is raised off of the cap. These are really elegant and look a lot different than what you see most out in the market. I highly recommend this decoration method. Back to embroidery, this is an embroidered patch. We create the patch and then we sew it on the front. This also, as you can see, has that patch dimension that's raised off the hat. This is a new decoration method offering virtually unlimited color. It's called Flex Style. This is applied via heat, no stitching, and it's also raised. You also have some flexible options in terms of the type of texture you want on these, and we can talk you through that on the phone. A classic, but still widely used, is puff embroidery, sometimes called 3D embroidery. You can see this has got a lot of depth to it. There is a foam piece under here that we stitch over. You can do blocky logos with this, nothing too detailed, but it is a nice, refreshing look. It pops right there off the crown of the hat. And then finally, a classic leather patch. In this case, this is faux leather, but we do offer real leather. This has a little dimension to it, and the designs are laser engraved. So if you are looking for a custom hat, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing, and we're happy to walk you through the process.